Pregnant women, people with allergies, and teenagers. There are some subgroups that are concerned about the safety of this vaccine. Let's bring in Dr. Peter Ching-Hong, our infectious disease specialist at UCSF. Doctor, nice to have you back on the program. First and foremost,
thanks for having me on, Raj.
No problem. We've been on this journey together for about 9 months. Initial feelings about today's vote. How are you feeling?
I feel ecstatic. I feel like I won the lottery, even though I don't have the vaccine in my arms yet. It's something we've been waiting for so many months, and it's really some light in this area and this period of darkness.
Dr. Ching-Hong, you talked about getting that vaccine in your arm. You are essentially Group 1A. You are a COVID doctor. When do you expect to get that shot?
I probably will get it a week from Monday or a couple weeks after Monday. It will probably go to the emergency room docs, the intensivists, the folks in labor and delivery, the folks doing the COVID testing, including janitorial staff, folks who draw blood. So across the board, and then I'll probably get it after that group.
These are tough decisions to make. Who's making it? Is it the head of the hospital there?
No, it's a multidisciplinary group of folks. Again, because the front line is so huge, you have to determine who's the front line of the front line, so to speak. So ethicists, specialists, other hospital administrative staff have met together to decide this order.
Doctor, let's get to some of the subgroups we're talking about here. Pregnant women, people with allergies, and maybe even teenagers. What's your guidance at this point from what you know?
So the FDA is probably going to order a blanket emergency use authorization for everyone over the age of 16. But you're right, Raj, there are probably 4 groups that haven't been included in the trials per se. Individuals under 16, immunocompromised individuals, including HIV affected individuals, pregnant women, and those who've had COVID before. We don't think it's going to be harmful because it's not a live vaccine, but again, there'll be more studies coming down that road. I think for these groups, for those over 16, it will be an individual risk and benefit situation because of, as you know, pregnant women have borne the brunt of disease complications in COVID, has been one of the groups.
Hey, Doctor, you've been very candid with us for the 9 months we've been working together here. How messy will this be, determining the order of people getting vaccinated? If I'm a hotshot millionaire or a major donor to a hospital or political leader, is there going to be a gray area for VIPs to jump the line?
This is a period, Raj, where there's no VIP as I know it. Actually, the vaccines are going to be controlled like a controlled substance with a lot of security. It's very hush-hush. Nobody knows who's getting it when. It's going to be on a random basis by group. And that is really hoping to be as equitable as possible. So again, like I said, janitorial staff, food service industry workers, phlebotomists in that healthcare workers are going to be intermingled with the most senior physicians.
All right. Dr. Peter Ching-Hong from UCSF, always appreciate your time and your analysis.